Hello to all my friends out there, and I am so mad I forgot to give you guys the banana bread recipe. And I really like this bread recipe because it's really easy to make. But you know those sneaky cooks that don't tell you everything? Well, what I did is I bought this raw brown sugar because now I've been using this raw sugar, not this particular one, several different kinds, and see how nice and yummy my bread is. And so this calls for 1 cup sugar, so I used 1/2 cup brown sugar, and then I had nuts, and I will give you a close-up. There's a close-up of my bread. That is going to taste yummy with my tea. Let me give you another shot of the recipe. You don't have to have nuts. Oh, and this is a little skimpy on the nuts, 1/4 cup. I used a 1/2 cup. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.